Hey there, this is Joseph Fernandez and welcome to the Development Zone Joomla tutorials. Today we're going to be looking at the flipping book Joomla component and how it's basically used to create an online magazine like so by uploading JPEGs, GIFs, PNGs, and also SWF files. So let's get started and log into the Joomla administrative portal. So I've entered my username and password right there. Click login. The first thing I do is look for the component under components and click on flipping book, which will bring me to the flipping book interface. Before we go ahead and create a book, let's first create a category for this book. And I clicked on the manage category section of the component, and let's create a new category and call this demo book. Click save. So now we have a demo book category here, and once we have the category, let's go ahead and create the actual book which will fall under this category. So let's click on the Manage Books tab, and over here we create new to create a new book. Let's set the category for this book as demo book. The preview image, we're going to leave that blank. We don't need it right now, but you're welcome to set one up if you need it for your website. Title of the book, we'll call it demo book, and give it a little description. This has a number of different settings that you could go through. A few important ones as seen here. I'm going to turn off a few of these settings like print icon. I don't need that. Email icon. I do not need that. I don't want to show the book description. I just want only the pages to show. I don't want to show the page description, so I'll turn that off too. Set up the basic parameters. So in the basic parameter panel, you can see the width and the height of the page, which is pretty straightforward. If I flip back to the front end, you can see that this is the width of the page and this is the height of the page, whereas this is the width of the entire Flash document that this component's using to display, and this is the entire height of the Flash document. So when we go back here, it says width of the Flash is 100%. I wanted that to extend from left to right, 100% filling up that page. So that's doing the job, 100%. The Flash height is going to be only 500 pixels high, which is that basically is only 500 pixels high. So it's doing it right. Do I want this new book to be a hardcover? No, I want it to be soft cover. I like those little pages flipping fluidly, and the book direction to be left to right. So that works pretty well. The next important one is the background. So I want the background for my book to be a dynamic color, a picture, which I can select from here. The background image, let's set the background image for this one to be a background, an abstract background red. Right now, if we flip back to the front end, you'll see that there's a dynamic image which is blue at the moment. So for our new book, we're going to set this up to be red. And if you don't want to choose a dynamic background, you can just leave them as flat white colors, and you can select the colors by clicking here. But for now, we're going to choose that image there, and that's pretty straightforward. So the next most important